Hello and welcome to Andover Norton. I'm Ashley, the engineer here at Andover Norton. Now, one of the questions we get, I would say most weeks, is about the twin leading shoe. We tend not to sell too many to Norton Commando owners, though recently we have sold one who wanted to do away with the disc and retrofit the actual drum brake which the model would have had originally, and that's about the only case I know of. But where this is really popular are those owners that wish to purchase and fit it to the Atlas or the Dominator. It will actually fit the front full width hub. There is a slight difference in that hub, but most people wouldn't even notice what it was. And it's realistically where you got the hub, the part of the hub where it comes up to this edge here is machined slightly different on the actual Dominator hub than the Commando one. Other than the actual other differences, which is obviously the actual lock ring in the hub, the thread is different on the Dominator hub to a Commando hub. Not a lot else in it, so it will go in. Now, the next question I normally get is, I've got 7-inch centres on my forks and my yokes. Can I still fit this? Yes, you can, because you've still got the same hub. But what you would need to do is to make sure you use the existing spaces that you've got, because it should space off exactly the same. When I look at the dimensions, there's not much difference in the actual main part of this hub compared to the actual the normal single leading hub that was fitted to the Dominators. So it should go in there using your existing spacers. If not, it's just a simple job to make sure that the centre of your rim is directly in line with your steering stem access. Whatever you do, don't put the rim equal distant within the actual sliders or the forks. That's not a good way to do it. It must be in line with the steering stem in the headstock. Now, if you fit this twin leading shoe hub to a Dominator, you'd need to buy a special cable. The reason being is that when we manufacture these, the boss where the cable goes in here at the bottom is actual a UNF thread, whereas the boss on the pre-Commando hub is a CEI. We've decided not to actually put these together with a CEI boss. The reason being is we would need to get hundreds and hundreds of bosses made, and most probably only sell 10 a year or so realistically. So we decided to stay with the actual the UNF boss. Now, if you've got any other queries with that or the cable which you need, feel free to get in touch, and we'll try and help you. And of course, all the descriptions, part numbers, etc. for these parts, these cables we do, and for the hub itself will be in links below on this video. Thank you very much.